Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, we're gonna see how to create a database using SQLite in Python. Okay, then don't worry if you are having a database or if you created a database in a SQLite 3 also, we can add the database here. Okay, and I will show how you can create a database using Python IDE, and you can also create a database using command mode. Let's see how we can write. First, I'm gonna import SQLite 3. Okay. After that, I'm creating a variable dot con is equal to SQLite 3 dot connect. Okay. Connecting to, and we are creating a database here. The database is, sorry, here I made a mistake. SQLite. Okay. So you can choose any name of a database. I'm taking it as a test1 dot database db. Okay. After that, we are gonna create a table and execute the table to the database. So just create a table in the quotations, and I'm creating a table called yep, it's a test1 or something, test2. Yep, test2 table, or you can create just a table 1. That's it. After that, we're gonna create some IDs, some of the variables or some of the columns in this. So the first column is ID. That is, we are gonna create an ID, and that ID must be an integer. Okay, and this ID needs to be it should have a primary key, and this ID must be automatically increment. So auto increment. Okay. Yeah. After that, in this table, I need name of the persons who are entering or registering here. So name, it can be text. So, and okay, text, and it should be a not null, because if we create a table in a name, mm, uh, in this page, if you put null, if you type the letters will be gone, so it won't be saved in a database. So we are putting it as a null. After that, I need an email ID. Okay, email. This email must be also a text, and it should be a unique, because every email ID is an unique email ID. So we need a unique. So, and it also should not be a null. Okay. After that, we are gonna create an address. Okay, in this address is also be a text. So not null. Okay. After that, just okay, yeah, run this. Okay, run main. Yep, look where that is. I didn't see that coming. Yeah, here we created a table. So let's see the created table. This is an SQLite Studio. So let us add this here. Oh, it is not working. Wait a minute. Yeah, wait. Let us add a database. That is okay. This database is in a folder and it is in okay in this it is in it is in a D folder. In a D folder it is in a okay. Let's go there and website here where it is website here okay. Look, it added, so we can see the tables here. Okay, let's go to the data. Look, it created an ID, name, email, address. In that structure it will be saying that so ID integer and it has a primary key. That email is an unique and it should be not null, but it is defaultly it should be not. So if you are opening the web page, it should be in a null. Okay, now let's go to the command mode. Okay, so just go to the command mode and I save this in D file, so I'm going there. Okay, I'm going there in the D folder. Okay, so I'm gonna create a folder there. Okay, what is the path? Let's see, YouTube. YouTube. Okay. YouTube. Okay. In this just type Python. Okay, after you click Python it will be coming. After that just import the same things. Import sqlite 3. After that make a connection. Okay, connection is equal to sqlite 3 dot connect. After in this just create a database called data.db. Okay, after that we're gonna execute okay, execute in this we can create another database called not the data. Let's create a data1 database. After that we are gonna create a table and execute it in a data1 database. So let's create table table 3 and we are going to create the ID, and this ID must be an integer. Primary key should be having one auto increment. Okay, and it has some name, the name variable. It should be in a text format, and it should be not a null question. And we're gonna create a date of birth, DOB, that's our date of birth. Okay, and it should be in a text format, and it should be a not null question. Okay, let's close this, and we created the table here. Let's go and see that it's in a Python. Name is data1.b. Yeah, let's look at the table here which we created now. Look at the data id. Okay, it's not that. Here it is. Look at the data. It's an id, name, date of birth, and in the structure, look, we just it is having a primary key, not null questions. Okay, we can also change this positions of the uh, database id, date of birth, name. You can change anything. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's go back to the Python file.